The joy of cooking. Unraveling the secret of homemade pasta. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a delicious topic: homemade pasta. We'll delve into what this phrase means, its cultural significance, and why it's more than just a dish. So, let's embark on this culinary journey together. Homemade pasta is a term that combines two key words, homemade and pasta. Homemade refers to anything made at home, emphasizing personal touch and care. Pasta, on the other hand, is a popular Italian dish made from dough, typically involving flour and water. When we say homemade pasta, we're talking about pasta that is made from scratch at home, rather than purchased pre-made from a store. In many cultures, homemade pasta is a symbol of tradition and family. It's often made during special occasions or family gatherings. The process of making pasta by hand is seen as an art and a way to bring people together. It represents love, care, and the joy of sharing a meal made with one's own hands. There's a notable difference between homemade and store-bought pasta. Homemade pasta is often fresher, softer, and can be customized in terms of shape, size, and ingredients. Store-bought pasta, while convenient, lacks the unique textures and flavors that come with homemade versions. This section can showcase the comparison in terms of taste, texture, and the cooking experience. Here, we can introduce the basics of making pasta at home. This includes a simple recipe, the tools needed, and the steps involved in rolling out and shaping the pasta. This practical demonstration will help viewers understand the process and maybe inspire them to try making their own homemade pasta. Thank you for joining me on this delightful exploration of homemade pasta. I hope this video has not only taught you the meaning of the phrase but also inspired you to experience the joy of making and sharing your own pasta. Remember, cooking is a language that everyone can enjoy learning and speaking. Until next time, happy cooking and happy learning.